Hi, in this video we will talk about that eat these 10 natural foods to heal your kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage. Each kidney is about the size of a fist and plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. Heal your kidneys means to take steps to improve and maintain the health of your kidneys, potentially reversing damage or preventing further deterioration. This can involve a variety of approaches, including dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and medical treatments. The primary function of the kidneys is to filter waste products and excess substances, like water, salts, and toxins, from the blood to form urine. This helps in maintaining a stable balance of body chemicals. The kidneys produce a hormone called renin that helps regulate blood pressure by controlling the balance of salt and water in the body. Eating foods that support kidney function and avoiding those that can harm them. This includes consuming foods that reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and provide essential nutrients without overloading the kidneys. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider to monitor kidney function, especially if you are at risk for kidney disease. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit known for its numerous health benefits, including support for kidney health. Incorporating watermelon and watermelon-based foods into your diet can provide several nutrients and compounds beneficial for the kidneys. Simple and delicious, fresh watermelon slices are an excellent way to stay hydrated and enjoy the fruit's natural benefits. Watermelon is low in potassium and high in water content, making it kidney-friendly and great for maintaining hydration. Watermelon juice is a refreshing drink that helps flush out toxins and supports kidney function. Number 2. Fish. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood pressure, a major factor in kidney health. It is also high in high-quality protein and vitamin D, essential for overall health. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Mackerel is another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. It also contains selenium and vitamin B12, which are important for kidney health. Tuna is low in fat and high in protein, making it a kidney-friendly food. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation. Number 3. Egg white. Egg whites are a valuable source of high-quality protein and are low in phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. A light and healthy egg white salad can be a great snack or sandwich filling that supports kidney health. A quick and easy dish, egg white scramble, can be customized with your favorite kidney-friendly vegetables. Egg white muffins are a convenient and healthy breakfast option that can be made ahead of time and stored for a quick meal. For a protein boost, consider adding pasteurized egg whites to your smoothies. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is renowned for its health benefits, particularly due to its high content of healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can support kidney health by reducing inflammation, improving cardiovascular health, and providing a good source of calories without adding a high burden on the kidneys. A simple pasta dish made with olive oil and herbs can be both delicious and kidney-friendly. A healthy and filling breakfast option, avocado toast with a drizzle of olive oil, provides good fats and nutrients. Provides a healthy source of calories without the high protein or potassium content that can burden the kidneys. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to support kidney function. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that garlic consumption may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of kidney disease and improving overall kidney health. Add fresh garlic to your meals, whether minced, sliced, or crushed. Adding garlic to your favorite dishes can enhance their flavor and boost their nutritional value. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and contribute to their health-promoting properties. Antioxidants help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are common factors in kidney damage and disease. Frozen blueberries. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones and can be conveniently added to smoothies, baked goods, or oatmeal. Dried blueberries. Dried blueberries make a tasty addition to trail mix, salads, or baked goods, providing a concentrated dose of antioxidants and fiber. Number 7. Onions. Onions contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, including the kidneys. Quercetin may help protect against kidney damage caused by free radicals and harmful toxins, potentially lowering the risk of kidney disease. Studies have shown that onions possess diuretic properties, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body, thus supporting kidney function. Add raw onions to salads, sandwiches, or wraps for a crunchy texture and a pungent flavor that enhances the overall taste of your dish. Number 8. Red grapes. Red grapes are not just a sweet and tasty snack, they're also packed with nutrients that can support kidney health. Red grapes are rich in antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which has been shown to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory compounds in red grapes can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially preventing and managing kidney disease. Red grapes have a high water content, which aids in keeping the body hydrated and supports the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products. Number 9. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. High blood pressure is a common risk factor for kidney disease. Pomegranates have been shown to help lower blood pressure, supporting overall kidney health. Drink 100% pure pomegranate juice, free from added sugars, to enjoy the benefits of pomegranates in a convenient, drinkable form. Blend pomegranate seeds or juice into smoothies with other kidney-friendly fruits like berries and leafy greens for a delicious and nutritious drink. Number 10. Kale. Kale is not just a trendy superfood, it's a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits, including supporting kidney health. Kale is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C and K, calcium, and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Kale contains high levels of antioxidants, such as quercetin and camphorol, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Kale is lower in potassium compared to other leafy greens, making it a safer option for those needing to monitor their potassium levels.